Na maalam na si It's Showtime, Kim Chu sa karakter na ginagampanan niya sa Philippine adaptation ng patok na K-drama series na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Sa latest Instagram post ni Kim nitong Huwebes ika-13 ng Hunyo, tila hindi siya makapaniwalang magwawakas na ang naturang serye magsimula nang umere ito noong Marso. It's been days since we finished, but I still can't believe we are now on our last episode. As I close another character I played, I always learn something or have this takeaway trait that I will keep inside my pocket as I turn my back to that particular role, pahayag ni Kim. There were so many doubts, confusion, fear, and unsure thoughts, but all I did was trust the process. Surprisingly, everything went smoothly, and the boat sailed perfectly. I leave my fears and doubts behind, dugtong pa niya. Gayun din, lubos na pinasalamatan ni Kim ang mga individual na naging bahagi sa pagbuo ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Tulad nina Direk Chad Vidanes, Paolo Avellino, Garlic Garcia, at sa namayapang si Deo Endrino. Samantala, mapapanood na ang naturang serye sa Free TV tuwing Sabado at Linggo, 7 p.m.